Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a video in your Brevo campaign or newsletter email. This is how it looks like during the email builder in Brevo, and this is how it looks like when received. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Brevo account. And then to show you how to add a video in a newsletter or a campaign email in Brevo, I will create a new campaign from scratch. Create campaign, give it a name to delete campaign, click on create. Recipients, I will select this test email list, click on save. The subject, I will write anything to skip it. For the design here, to add a video, let's use this simple template. I always recommend you to go with text or to go with a simple text-based template in order to avoid avoid triggering or to avoid enabling the spam triggers. Because when a normal person contacts his friend, he does not use banners and does not use keywords like buy now or something that will trigger. Okay, here the principle is simple. Try to imitate or try to look like someone contacting his friend. This is why you should go with text-based. Okay, how to add a video, for example. Okay, here as you see, Brevo provides a video element. You can drag and drop it. Here, for example, you can start check out this YouTube video. Click again on the video element. Here you can use a text. You can pass a YouTube video link. Let's open YouTube, for example. Copy, for example, Brevo. Let's use this YouTube video as an example. Paste the URL here. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom Builders Academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Let's accept the cookies. Okay, I want this video to preview. Rounded corners. Let's add it manually. As you see, what I did in order to get this YouTube thumbnail, I've deleted the last character, which was 8. As you see here, it is 8. I've deleted and rewrite it manually to trigger Brevo to detect this video thumbnail. As you see here, you can also add a video, for example, video link, and you can select this part, add a link, and you can paste your video link in the link target. Click on insert, and you will add your video this way. Okay, you can also edit the video width like that. Let's see if you can do it manually. You can zoom in, or you can edit, you can edit the video thumbnail size manually. I'm looking for, you can also adjust the video placement or alignment, content visibility, show on all device, only on desktop, only on mobile. You can add a condition from here. Now let's save and quit. Okay, let's send this this campaign, send now, to see how my video looks like. And this is the email my email list subscribers will receive. This is the video link, and this is, if I click on the thumbnail, this is how it looks like. And this is how to add a video in your Brevo campaign or newsletter email. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.